Hi beauties, how are you guys? Thank you so much for joining me. So I got this really amazing PR package. We're gonna test out some new stuff. I have some makeup brushes, a lot of face stuff. I do not see any bronzers, so I am gonna be using my own. So we're gonna start off with a face primer, okay? Because I have some in here that are illuminating. These are called Luminous Glow Skin Illuminators, and I have 3 different tones. This one here, Moonlight, which is this one here. This one is called Afterglow, and then this one is Sunlit. And these are really great to use underneath your makeup before you do any foundation, just to kind of give your foundation some glow, or if you want to mix it in with your actual foundation, if it's matte and you want to also make it a little bit more luminous, or if it's kind of dry and you want to add more movement and glow, you can also mix it in with that. They're really nice and versatile. I like to use them underneath my foundation because I don't know, I just feel like it's a really nice start for any foundation look for more of a glowy finish. I just put a little bit all over my face like this. I am using Sunlit, which is actually the darkest one. I was gonna go in and mix it in with this. As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna mix in both of these just to kind of see. This is supposed to be the lighter one. So this one is more of a gold, and then Sunlit is more of a rose gold color. So I'm just gonna mix both of them, and don't be afraid to get in there with this stuff because it's not gonna, you know, you're not gonna look like a penny at the end. This is the first time that I ever have any LA Girl makeup brushes. Let's see if they're actually pretty nice. So this one here is the 109 synthetic brush, which is really nice to start just kind of like the blending or application of products on your skin. I'm mixing both of these colors and it's, wow, this is actually beautiful. As far as the quality of the brush, I'm not mad at it at all. I think especially for the price, it's a great brush. I always recommend Sigma brushes. I recommend, if you go to Target, Sonia Kashuk has a really great line of makeup brushes. So this definitely gives me a really nice glow. So I see some color correcting products also. These are HD color correcting face primers, and then these are the color correcting concealers. So these face primers are great for color correcting before you put on any foundation. I think this is one of the most important steps that a lot of people don't implement into their makeup routine when they're going glam, because it really helps you solve any skin issues that you have as far as colors. So I'm just gonna put a little bit here. Vitamin B is going to help with the appearance of your skin, and it also has chamomile and cornflower extract, so that's gonna help with the soothing. So these blend out pretty translucent. I'm actually going to use the 109, and again, just focus the corrector wherever you need it. So for me, I start in the middle of the nose because that's where I get the most red, and then whatever's left over, I just kind of blend it out to the rest of my face. If you don't have any skin issues, but you want something to hydrate the skin, they also have this white one here. So this one is just going to give you a little bit more hydration, especially if you have eczema or if you have really severe dry skin. It's nice to put something that's going to be hydrating first. The pink one is going to help illuminate the skin. So I like to put this on in the areas where I naturally would put on a highlight or concealer. In here I have the concealers. A lot of people love using these for contour. These are really great for that, and also to highlight the face. And then I also have some Pro Matte foundations. Oh, I also have Pro Coverage HD foundation. So this is a different formula. So today I'm going to be using the Pro Coverage High Definition Illuminating Foundation, only because this matte one is not really my color. I am going to pump 2 of them on the back of my hand. It's pretty liquidy. And I am using one of their brushes, 111. This is a small stippling brush. Stippling brushes are really great to apply the foundation all over your face because they cover a large area. This one's pretty small, but you stipple it on first, and then you can just buff it in by going like this. All right, so once I do that, they do also have a 2-piece blending sponge. I do like the shape because it has a flat side, so you can just kind of press your foundation onto the skin. All right, and then it also helps pick up any excess foundation that you might have on your skin. All right, so now we're going to be doing a little bit of highlighting and a little bit of contouring. This is like one of my favorite products from this entire line. I know it's not a new product, but this is honestly a really great formula for contouring and highlighting, and it also gives you coverage, especially for the highlighting when you want that area of your face to really be nice and bright. It's a tube applicator, and then you just squeeze some product out into the brush. I'm gonna use a little bit of this color here called Porcelain, just a little bit more light. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna start by dabbing this with the 109 flat concealer foundation brush, just like this. Flip it over. And then I'm gonna switch to the blending sponge just to blend it all out. Wow, this is actually really easy to blend, and I was a little bit scared because I'm like, I think I put on a little bit too much, but it blended out really nicely. Ooh, wow. Wow, this is really good, guys. I like it. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to a little bit of the contour with the darkest color, beautifully bronze. So this is the 108. It's an angled buffer brush, and this one's really great to buff out the contour. Wow. I am loving this to the max. All right, so I am really obsessed with the makeup so far. Everything is looking flawless. It's really easy to blend. The foundation is very luminous. I love the contour. It's almost kind of like a powdery finish in a sense, the way that it blends out really, really nicely, and the foundation and everything is just looking excellent right now. So this one that I didn't notice that I had, I thought it was an illuminating powder also. This one is actually a loose setting powder, and it's in the color Banana. So maybe I can take a little bit of this. This is, I guess, if you really want to set your under eye makeup, which I don't feel like I really need to do, but I'm just gonna take a little bit underneath. Oh, okay. It's kind of making things a little bit brighter. I'm just gonna use a little bit like this. Moving on to the illuminating powders. These are the highlights, okay? Rose gold, kind of like a yellow gold, and then this one here is iridescent. It kind of changes into like this holographic purplish glow, which is kind of cool. But for today's look, since I have a bronzy eye, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this one here, which is called Sun Kissed. So it comes with a little powder puff. It's a sifter here. I am gonna go ahead and take the 102 brush, and I'm just gonna go directly onto the powder. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at that. It's very, very finely milled, which is always a plus because it just makes the highlight look way more beautiful. And I could actually tell that this is really small and fine. So that's really beautiful. And then this one is called 24 karat, which is more of a yellowish highlight, which is really nice. So finely milled, luminous glow, illuminating powders. Obsessed with these things. For the lips, I do see that I have a lip scrub, which gently exfoliates your lips. I did want to try this one out because I have been I've been having really dry lips. Massage it onto my lips if you have dry skin like I've been having. All right, so next I'm gonna move on to the Matte Base Anti-Feathering Lip Primer. Cool. It's kind of like a little crayon. Let's see in here. I think I have some lip stuff. I see a lot of really cool lip stuff. Ooh, Perfection Precision Lip Liners. Love these. What else is in here? Oh, I think these are eyeliners. Oh my gosh, eyeliners and everything. Oh, brow products. I should have done my brows too. We'll have to do these in another time. More lip colors, and then these are, oh, and then these are some really fun eyeshadow primers that I did not use today because I didn't see these before. I thought this was just full of lip color, but I will definitely use these in another video whenever I do an eye makeup look. And they also have a sharpener in here for the lip pencils and the eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose one of these lip colors, lip pencils. I love the way they smell. I think I'm gonna go for this color here, which is called, oh, this one's really nice. This one is called Sugar and Spice. So I have one more box full of goodies. These are some lip glosses I feel that would be really cool to try out today. So this is a collection by Ricky and LA Girl, which by the way, I have this really great mirror that I'm using today. This one here, I'll include it in a monthly favorites, but this is also by the brand Ricky, and you can turn it on. It has Bluetooth. You can take a selfie with it. You can, you know, bring up the light. Mine is actually dead, but it also has like this really cool magnetic magnifying mirror. You could just attach it there so you can magnify your makeup if you want. Really cool thing. So I thought it was really interesting that they did a collection with LA Girl. So I'm gonna open it up because it kind of looks like it has a lighted beauty mirror in here. So these are some gloss toppers. Use Ricky Cutie Mirror to apply gloss topper and get mesmerized by the holographic shine. So here's a box with the holographic toppers. What color should I do? I think I'm gonna do purple because that's one of my favorite colors. Peace out. See what this is all about. And here's the little Ricky Cutie. Okay, so I popped up this little thing that comes through the bottom, and you can put your fingers in here and it actually twists like this, which is pretty cool. There's a little button in the back. You can turn on the light, you can dim it, make it a little bit brighter. And I am going to put on this gloss, which the color is called Flashing Opal, which is the purple one. And oh my gosh, are you serious? Wow. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is like so amazing. If you see it up close, it looks even better. Holographic, definitely holographic. Ooh, that's beautiful. It's very whimsical. It's really gorgeous. And you know, the cool thing is that you actually, from far away, even like just looking far away on the mirror, you can't really see like this, you know, huge difference. Once you get really close and personal, you can see the subtle shift of the lip gloss, which is really nice. So I think you can use these with any lip color that you have to top it off. All of these are super, super awesome. They even have this one here, which I think is just a clear one. That's really cool. So I'm in love with this little mirror. I think it's very useful. You can definitely take this on the go when you travel. I'm definitely gonna take this to New York. If you travel, you have something that has light at all times and the lighting is amazing, and then you can dim it. So that's really cool. I definitely do love these little holographic gloss toppers. I think they're a lot of fun, and you can switch it up and have just many different variations depending on the lip color that you're wearing or the one that you choose. But I just thought it was such a nice and subtle but super fun effect that you can add to your lip color. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the testing out of all of these new products from LA Girl. I got really excited to do this video because they're affordable products and the quality is super amazing. I was really impressed because the only things that I was using from LA Girl before this were the concealers. That's like the one product that I did actually go out and purchase, and a few other lip pencils and stuff. But as far as like the Luminous Glow illuminating powders, which are amazing, they're finely milled, they blend into the skin. The foundation also looks really beautiful and it's full coverage. I love to do my glam almost every single day, so this is the kind of makeup that I love using, and again, it's affordable, so it's super fun to use also. So if you guys have any favorites, I would love to hear in the comment section which products you like. Do you have any hits, any misses, any products that maybe you're not feeling too much? Hopefully today's video was helpful to you guys, and if you did enjoy it, please thumb it up and don't forget to subscribe subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!